to show you how to play Hello, Goodbye by the Beatles. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start off with the melody. This song starts right in on the melody. It doesn't have any introduction. We're in the key of C, but it starts on a D. D, F, F, and then to simulate the chords that they're playing in the background, I'll play thirds right there. 3 of them. D and F. Then C, E, E, then 3/3 on C and E. Then B, D, D, and 2/3 on B and D. And then G, A, C, C, E, G, C, A, E, G. Now if you want to, you can slide down on that C to the A. You can put in a little B in there. But G, E, C, G, C, 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 G, C, E, G, G, C, E, F, F, E, D, C, 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 B flat C, G, C, E, G, G, C, E, F, F, E, D, C, 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 B flat C. There's the melody, and there's a lot of repetition in the song. Now let's get the harmony. You're going to have a D, F, A, so that D. D, F's are on a D minor chord. Then we go to a C and an E, G, a C chord, then to a G7, but put a B in the bass. B and the F and G, and then we're just going to walk down to C, to B, to A, C, E, and then this is when they're going. So when they hit that high G, I'll be playing it right there. When they hit that high G, it'll be G, D, B, D, G, D, B, D, A, C, E. Then again, G, D, B, D. All you're going to do is arpeggiate the G chord. A little bit of more scale work with their bass, but that's the bass that they do right there. And then instead of the scale work, I just do an arpeggio on an A minor arpeggio. Now the key to this thing is to just not let it go too fast, because their tempo is only about 96 beats per minute. If you want to put a drum background to it, you can at 96 beats per minute, but it's hard to find something that's as good sounding as what Ringo puts on there, so it's kind of awkward to just put a drum machine on there, which I don't do. But right here, but when you get to there, you've got A, C, E, then again G, up to an F, which makes it a G7, and then F, C, D, E, F, C, D, E, F, G, right back up. Just walk right back up to G. F, C, D, E, F, G, then A and a C chord. Now that's either an A with a C chord, A minor with a C chord, or it's an A minor 7. Either way you want to analyze it there, but they play the A in the bass and then a C chord, and then F, A flat, C, D, E, F, G, A, C chord, F, A flat, C, D, E, F, G, C, and then we do it again on the second verse. Now let me play it slowly so that you can see it. You want to hold on that C just a little bit longer than normal, just to hold it back and make the contrast to the hello, hello, hello. So hold that C back. So you throw in an F chord, and then an A flat chord, and then back to C. We don't need all of that in the bass. All we need is that bass line to give us the implied chords C, D, E, F, G. Do it again. to get up to the D, you just G, C, D, F. They change the melody. Instead of, they go right to the B flat. Paul is singing right there, and he goes right to the B flat, and goes up. Poggiatura goes up to the D and back to the C. So there's a little bit of a change right there, and then a change on the bass here too. C, E, F, G, C, D, E, F to C, C, G. Because we're going into the bridge. So to set that up, C, E, F, G, C, D, E, F. And then if you can, bring your little finger up so that you can play that F and C right away. Doesn't hurt if you hold it. But you can go. Or you can go. So you can hold both of those back, or you can go right away. I've got it written to where it's right away. So let's get the let's get what's going on in the right hand for the bridge, and then we'll come back into it. The bridge, you're just going to have D, F, A, C, D, E, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, 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 G. They're going Y, and G, 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 C, B, G, C, C, E, G. That's where he's singing goodbye, hello, and then we're right back into the same thing. There's that seventh, see? That seventh with the F. And then we do the same thing here. We go right to the B flat. And then we're going to have a reprise there of the first verse, and we go right back in, same ending there. Just like we went into the second verse. Now let me get you into that bridge there. You've got, before the bridge, you've got. So in the left hand, you're going to have F, C, da da da, C, G, da da da, G, D, A, C, E, and then we're into what we've already known. So now here it's tricky because you've been going open fifth. See, you've been going F, C, C, G, G, D, and you could still go an open fifth, but I put in the third right there, A, C, E. So I put in the whole triad. Before we go back and play it one more time, I want to show you that the right hand right there, Y, C, B, G, goodbye, hello. So it's short, long, right there. And when this AC is coming down, and then you're into the G. So let's get into that. So you know that already. So we do the reprise of the first verse, and then that leads us right into the tag. And I'll show you how it goes into the tag. All they do is they extend that that hello, hello, they extend that little thing one extra time, and then they put a tag on that, and then there's a little tag ending afterwards. So let's start right at the reprise. The second time, and this time they go to that B flat, then it's a third time. Now they stay with the C right there, and then we're going to have A flat, G, F sharp, F, C, G, and they're going to play. And they actually just play that twice and end on the C. And then we have, so they play C, G, D, C. And the way that'll fit together is like this. So when you hit that C with the F sharp, play another F sharp, and then an F. Actually hold the G back and to put it with the C, and then just hold that just a little bit. They do a slow bow right there, and then we go into the tag. So let me get into that. Last time through. Just a slight pause, and then we've got the tag. Now for the tag, they're going to have E, C, 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 E, and then you'll have a, for the cha-cha or the woo-woo, the little noises they make, just put a G-C, G-C. So. They fade it out, and they fade it out. They actually sing it 8 times. So they fade it out, and they fade out on the 8th time. It's a little long if you're doing it on the piano, so you might want to just play it 4 or 5 times and fade it out, and then just stop. And I stop the fade. I stop it right off there. I stop it right there. I don't stop it after that, because that's leading back into the tag again. So we've got the thing where. To show you the left hand. Here it is. C, G, C. So you're going to have C, G, C, G, C, G, C, G, C, G. So it'll be. I don't like to put that. You can just keep putting that G and C at the left hand, but I like to take that extra little mud out of there and just put a G coming through there, because you've already got that 4th in the right hand, so I don't like to double it right there. There's no need for it. So here we go with the tag. And then you can just end it there. So you can fade it. You can put your own ending on there if you want to, but they fade it and they do it 8 times. There you have it. Hello, Goodbye by the Beatles. Hope you enjoy playing it.